Welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. Yeah, the sound quality is good enough. Give me some time, and today we're going to review a startup project, okay? Startup initial pre offering from Gate.io. We will review on that project. So hold on tight. Okay, all good. Okay, I set up all the things. And Mario TK, welcome to the stream. Welcome to the stream. And today we're going to review a Gate.io startup initial pre-offering project, okay? And it is SuiNS and in short NS, okay? So we will uh, review that project and obviously it will be free, okay? It is free. Okay, you can see that uh, 333,333 NS free of charge. Okay, so it is a free airdrop. Okay, you can. I will talk about how to participate in this startup project, and you can also know about what is startup project and other stuff. And obviously, you will get to know that you will get to know that how to participate in these startup projects, like similar startup projects. Okay, so we will talk about everything in this stream. Okay, so hold on, and our main target is Sui and us today. Okay, and we will have a clear review on it. And thanks, Joselu09. Welcome to the stream. Okay, okay, let's start. And you can see that Gate.io startup initial free offering, SuiNS, and announcement for free distribution rules. Okay, and as I said, 333,333 NS free of charge. Okay, so it is their official announcement, and you can find the link in the description of that video. Okay, no need to worry about that. And okay, let's see what is written inside here. Okay, what is written inside here? Yeah, first of all, Gate.io has launched the Startup Project Free Airdrop program in order to reward its users. Okay, Yeah, Shabazz Bazi. Welcome to the stream. Okay, I'm keeping your UID. Okay, hold on. Mm. And yeah, in our reward users and free airdrops for potential blockchain projects will be launched in startup from time to time. Okay, where users can get a variety of tokens via airdrop benefits. Okay, so this is the thing they are on to. Okay, and you can see that users participation funds will not be deducted for startup project SuiNS free airdrop. So basically you will need zero money. Okay, basically you will need zero money to participate in this startup free airdrop. Okay, uh, and you don't have to pay for anything, and obviously PIP levels are important and we will talk about it later. Okay, and they mentioned it how to participate. Okay, and these are the rules and we will look into it. First take a look at that, how after joining, if we click join now, what happens. Okay, let's take a look at that and let me clear that out so that we can get a fresh one. Okay, I clicked that one and it just took me to Sui Anna's official startup project. Okay, and I just on this tab it will ask you zero free claim, dollar zero free claim, and you just click on it. Okay, you just click on it and uh let me, okay, we'll review another startups. Okay, any link, new tab. Okay, let me take a tour. Ah, okay, in progress 14. We will talk about it later. Okay, and let's see what is inside Sui and a startup project. Okay, and their target was around 300, 3,000, 30,000 USDT, but they raised around 150 million USDT. Okay, so that is quite huge. Okay, 150.5 million USDT. That's quite huge, and their progress is like 5,001 uh 885.20%. That is outstanding, just outstanding. And you can see supporter are 45,485. Okay, and key KNKM31, welcome to the stream. Okay, I'm keeping your UID. And let's see what is written inside here. Okay, and yeah, NS and SUI NS and project introduction. Okay, let's start with the project introduction. The SUI name service SNS revolutionizes digital identity by offering a seamless, decentralized, and user-friendly platform for managing domain names on the SUI blockchain. Okay, so that is practically a part of SUI blockchain, and it provides a secure and immutable way to associate human readable names with complex blockchain addresses, enhancing user experience and accessibility. Okay, so basically, uh, they will introduce a human, they will introduce a secure and a immutable way to associate human readable names with complex blockchain addresses. Okay, so this is their target, ultimate goal, I guess. And here is the information on the founder, and the founder is Miston Labs. Miston Labs, okay, and Miston Labs is the initial contributor of SuiNS, and the founder of Miston Labs include Ivan Chang, CEO. He is the CEO, and Adani Abiodun, and he is CPO, and Sam Blackshear, and CTO, George Dennis, Chief Scientist, and Kostas Chakias, and he is Chief Cryptographer. Okay, and Mr. Labs is the original contributor to Sui, the Layer 1 blockchain and smart contract platform. Okay, so this is their company. I mean, this is their company, and the mission of Piston Labs is to create foundational infrastructure for the decentralized internet. Okay, so their ultimate goal is to create foundational infrastructure for the decentralized internet. Okay, income is saying 89 is greater than 87. Wow. Okay, and information for startup. Okay, as I said earlier, startup purchase price is only 0 USDT, so you don't have to pay for anything, and the startup supply is 3,333,333 NS. Okay, so the number is quite organized, and unlock rule will be 100%. Okay, so it will be 100% unlock for the users. Okay, and highlight and their vision. Okay, with SuiNS, users can effortlessly transfer, update, and secure their digital identities, ensuring privacy and control. Okay, so this is the stuff they are all about, and its integration with uh, various, I mean, I think it will be various blockchain ecos fosters interoperability and innovation, and there are some missing words here. Okay, we will get to know on the main page. Okay, so don't disappoint, don't be disappointed enough. Making Suyanas an indispensable tool for developers, businesses, and individuals seeking to simplify their interactions with blockchain technology while maintaining the highest security standards. Okay, and welcome gate user. You have just typed something meaningless, and okay, fair enough. And this is their vision, by the way. And let's see on the token economics what is written. And NS token is a governance token that provides control over the SUI NS protocol. Okay, so NS token will give you the governance to uh, have a control over the SuiNS protocol. Okay, and it will result in eventual control over the contract code as well as the SuiNS protocol treasury. Okay, in addition to the governance powers provided to the NS token, the platform will also provide a unique mechanism for rewarding NS token holders who participate in votes. Okay, so this is very simplified. Furthermore, a staking contract will be built, allowing users to stake their tokens from 1 to 12 months for increased voting power in governance proposals. Okay, so this is impressive, by the way, and from a utility perspective, the NS token will initially provide users the ability to purchase SuiNS names, including premium names at a discounted cost. So Sui NS holders will have all the benefits. Okay. Welcome Nabi812. Welcome to the stream. Okay, there is token economics on SuiNS protocol and their NS token. And the technical overview, on the technical overview section, we can see that SuiNS contracts on the Sui blockchain manage decentralized domain registration and resolution. Wow, and they leverage smart contracts to handle domain ownership, transfers, and name to address mappings, ensuring efficient, trustless interactions between users and the blockchain. Okay, so this is the main thing, and okay, I mean it will be protocol, I guess. The protocol is designed for scalability and fast. Why there is some missing words here? Let's see what I think there will be some information on it. Okay, so let's uh, let's keep those dash parts. Okay, and token allocation. Okay, that is important. That is important for us. And Zizo Crypto, welcome to the stream. Foundation Treasury market makers grants around 35%. Okay, and investor allocations is 10.93%. Okay, and code development, liquidity distribution, investments is 9.5%. And early team members, core builders will get 7.5%. Okay, and tokens dedicated to reward community for governance voting is about 5%. Okay, so these things are getting interesting, and governance control treasury to be used through community vote for the long-term viability of SuiNS is about 22.07%. Okay, and initial airdrop is 10%. Okay, initial airdrop is about 10%. So you don't have to worry about it, and everything is fair and clear. And let's take a look at that official announcement and what is written here. Okay, what is written here? And okay, we clicked join now, and we got to this page, and we gain some uh, important information on Sui NS, and let's see how how to participate in this program and what are the details on this project. Okay, this SuiNS protocol. Okay, so users participation funds will not be deducted for startup projects SuiNS be airdrop. Okay, so um, no fund is required. Okay, basically zero fund is required. And how to participate? Log into your Gateway account, complete KYC2 verification, and hold no less than 10 USDT of spot asset. Okay, so you can uh, hold 10 USDT worth of any tokens, and just you need to have a spot balance of at least $10, and you are good to go, and click zero free to claim. I said earlier that there is an option like zero free to claim, and you are good to go, and just click that, and you will uh they will take you to this page, and you are just registered. Okay, you are just registered for that airdrop. Okay, so your participation will be counted. Okay, and let's see what is written here on Sui Anna's startup participation rules. Okay, and the duration is 7 a.m. on November 12th to 7 a.m. on November 14th, and it is according to UTC. Okay, so I hope all of you are aware of the time zones, and it is orders placed by qualified users within the subscription period will be treated equally. So uh, Yeah, Zico Crypto, good morning. Good morning. Yeah, and okay, so everyone will be treated equally. So just click on the participate button and I mean join now button and you are good to go, okay? So you don't have to worry about and I provided the link on the description, okay? So you will find the links, necessary links in the description, video description, okay? And the trading start time is 11 a.m. on November 14th, 2024. And trading pair is NS USDT. Okay. And fundraising goal is 30,000 USDT, but they actually raised around 150 million USDT, 150.5 million USDT. Okay, that is like crazy. Okay, that's crazy enough, by the way. And their target was only 30,000 USDT, but they raised around 150.5 million USDT. So they're just getting started. Okay, so they managed to gain enough fund, so the airdrop will be good enough. And so startup supply is around these numbers like 3,333,333 ants. Okay, so the number is crazy, by the way, and it is a beautiful number, by the way. All three, I think their lucky number is three, so that they use this number. And unlocking rule is 100% unlock. Okay, so it is fair enough. Okay, let's see what are the participation requirements. Okay, so complete KYC to verification and the value of spot asset balance held is not less than 10 USD. So you have to keep at least 10 USD. You have to keep at least 10 USDT on your spot balance, okay, to participate in this airdrop. So just make sure you have 10 USDT on your spot asset balance and you are good to go, okay? And startup participation rules, okay? So there will be rules, obviously. If there is any reward, so there must be rules, okay, to um, organize things, okay? First of all, the higher the VIP level, the more startup airdrop shares can be claimed, okay? So if you have enough VIP level, a good enough VIP level, you will get huge shares, okay? So each user can receive up to 8,000 shares, okay? So that means if your VIP level is the highest rank, on the highest rank, you will gain around 8,000 shares, okay? So that is crazy enough. For specific information about available shares, please refer to this article, okay? I think I had the article, by the way, so let's see if I have that one or not. Okay, I think that one, 37836, is that 37836. Okay, okay, that's one, that one. Yeah. So this is the detailed one. This is the detailed one what they have written there. Uh, and yeah, startup update increased allocation for airdrop shares up to 8,000 shares. Okay, so this is their updated terms. Okay, updates on the allocation of startup airdrop shares. The airdrop shares have increased, and the more shares you subscribe, the more tokens you will receive. Specific adjustments are as follows. Okay, so you can see that if your level VIP level is zero, VIP I mean VIP zero, obviously you will be your allocations will be based on a lucky draw. And if you are lucky enough, I mean you are getting drops, okay? You are getting drops, okay? And this is for VIP free drop, and for Prime you only get 5 shares, okay? You only get 5 shares. And if the fundraising and the participants are less, so your 5 shares is worth, okay? So don't be just disappointed if your VIP level is 0. And you can participate in other programs so that you can increase your VIP levels, okay? So for VIP level 1, you can actually get 20 shares and it is updated. Previously it was 10 and you can get 20, okay? So these things continues, and if your VIP level is 9, you will get 4,000 shares, and from VIP 10 to VIP 16, you will get 8,000 shares. Okay, just if you are in VIP 10, you will get 8,000 shares. Okay, 8,000 shares. Sorry. So this is good enough. Fair enough. Hello, with permission from the host, I ask if you can help me. Okay, thank you, Jose Lu09. Okay, I am keeping your UID. Okay, and obviously, good morning. Good morning. Okay, and this is all about the shares and the PAP levels. Okay, and this is the long link here, and notes. I think we need to read the notes. It is important. Okay, the updated allocated shares for different PAP levels will be applicable to all startup projects that start a subscription after July 12th. Okay, to including VIP free airdrops, pre-order, and Prime. Okay, so so if you joined after July 12th, you are good to go. And startup allocates tokens to users based on a share system. Okay, eligible users can claim a certain number of shares. The more shares you can claim, the more tokens you receive. Okay, click here to enjoy 50% deposits, 50% off deposits, and upgrade your VIP level. Okay, so you can upgrade your VIP level by just clicking here. Okay, so let's open the. Okay, just fill up this form and submit. Okay, just fill up this form and submit. Mm. And the rules for the GT holding airdrop remain unchanged. The number of available shares is determined by the amount of GT held by participants at the time of subscription. Okay, so this is for the GT holders special airdrops. So this is only for the GT holding airdrops. Okay, and where any discrepancy arises between the translated versions and the original English version, the English version shall prevail. So just follow the English version. Okay, and give me some time. I'll be right back. Sorry for the interruption, guys, and we're back. Okay, where were we? Yes, we are here that the English version should be followed. Okay, so just follow the English version so there will be no discrepancy. Okay, and GateIO reserves all rights to the final explanation. Obviously, the event is not affiliated with Apple Inc. Users in the United Kingdom and other restricted locations cannot access the services, okay, including the participation in this event, game, or competition, okay. So just see this user agreement for further details. And if you are on these restricted locations, be careful enough while participating in these events and just talk to the customer care service, and they will let you know if something comes up, okay? And get out to crypto, and these are their official things. You can just follow, join, etc. And you can download the mobile app from here, okay, as well. Let's see. And we were here, and the number two for startup participation rules are non-VIP users can join the lucky draw of pre-airdrop by holding no less than 10 USDT of spot assets. Okay, basically non-VIP means if your VIP level is zero, okay? So if your VIP level is zero, so you are considered as non-VIP user, and your holding on spot balance must be uh, 10 USDT, okay? Must be 10 USDT. And Terry Davis, thank you. Okay, welcome to the stream, buddy. Welcome to the stream. And whether the non-BAP users win or not will be announced at the end of the project subscription. Okay, so you will get to know that if you are the winner or the loser. Obviously, you will get to know, and a portion of lucky non-BAP users will be randomly selected, and the airdrop amount will be evenly distributed. Okay, so uh, so if you are a non-BAP user, and you will obviously you will be selected through a lucky draw, okay, and if you are lucky enough you will be selected, and uh, among the number of lucky users the airdrop will evenly distributed, okay, so you don't have to worry about that, who gets first, who gets last, nothing is here. So just everything will be evenly distributed, okay. And number three, uh, on the number three is stated here like the user's behavior level will be checked when the tokens are distributed, okay. The actual share per user will receive is calculated according to the behavior level when distribution happens, okay. So this is the basic thing, by the way, this is the basic thing. Obviously your share will be calculated according to your VIP level, okay, and it is necessary. It is necessary. An announcement of results after the subscription ends, the system will count all eligible subscription order and distribute the project tokens, okay, accordingly. So, okay, obviously, after the subscription ends, the system will uh, count and distribute your airdrop allocations. Okay, tokens for VIP users will be distributed according to the ratio of their valid subscription amount to the total valid subscription amount, okay. And while non-VIP users will have a portion of lucky users randomly selected to evenly distribute the airdrop quota, okay. And the subscription results will be announced before listing. And obviously, fair enough, it should be announced before listing, and because after listing there can be some questions, okay, there will be some questions. Okay, note the multiple accounts with the same KYC information when claiming startup shares will be deemed as a cheating behavior, and any cheating behavior is prohibited, okay. In case of cheating, GateIO reserves the right to disqualify the users involved and forfeit their rewards. Okay, so if you were caught in cheating, obviously your rewards will be disqualified and your rewards will be forfeited and you will be disqualified and this will affect in further airdrops as well. Okay, so be careful enough, be careful enough and learn more about the rules and available shares of different VIP levels. And we read that earlier and check participation tutorial. Okay, okay, we will take a look at that. We will take a look at that and project information. Okay, the project information is here. Hmm. The information below is provided by the SuiNS team, protocol team, and please follow the website for more information. Okay, introduction is the Sui name service. SMS revolutionizes digital identity by offering a seamless, decentralized, and user-friendly platform for managing domain names on the Sui blockchain. Okay, welcome Dabolo, welcome Dabolo, welcome to the stream, and congratulations on becoming a PP1. Okay, congratulations. Mm. Okay, where were we? Okay, manage a C block. It provides a secure and immutable way to associate human readable names with complex blockchain addresses, enhancing user experience and accessibility. Okay, and the more details are like token name is SuiNS and token symbol will be NS. Okay, all in capital, and maximum supply is 500 million NS and token type is Sui, obviously, and the token contract is here. Okay, the token contract is here. You can see if we click on that link, it comes up. Okay, so okay, let me click that link so that you can. Okay, here is the token information here. Okay, it is verified enough and here are social links. Mm, project name is SuiName service SNS and the native token for SuiNS protocol and the package ID creator. Everything is there. So just visit this page and clarify things and the transactions, send the digest. Everything is there. Okay, gas fees. So everything you will get to know from here. Okay, so this is it on the token contract information. Okay. And token distribution and unlocked rules. Okay, yes, this is important. This is important for us. And foundation treasury market makers grants 35%, and we actually read that on that page. Okay, we actually read that on that page at the end of that page. Okay, token allocation. So you can take a look at that. Okay, yeah, the initial airdrop is 10%. Okay, initial airdrop is 10%, and governance control treasury to be used through community vote for the long-term viability of SuiNS is 22.07%. Okay, so most of the allocations are granted there, here, and that foundation treasury market makers and grants. Okay, uh, this is for this is around 35%. Okay, so most of the allocations are for them. Okay, and here's the website and the white paper. Okay, let's and before that, okay, before we go to the website and white paper, we need to know what is Gate.io startup. Okay, what is Gate.io startup and how to participate on Gate.io startup. Okay, uh, okay. Okay, let's take a look at the website first, then we'll go to that. Okay, I hope then you will understand clearly. Okay, after visiting the website, I think you will get idea what type of projects and what are the other things are mentioned here. Okay, okay, you can see this website is nicely organized. Okay, and on the starting, you can claim your AEO and NFT. Okay, and to claim that, you need to register here. Okay, by your wallet, and obviously you need to be a valid user. Okay, and if you are not a valid user, you can't claim. Okay, I think you got the answer. Names, how you know them. Okay, the SuiName service supports username standards common across the web. Okay, interacting on chain just got a whole lot easier. Okay, so this is their target, and be yourself on chain. Getting a name from SuiNS can help define your identity on chain. No more forgettable string or numbers and letters. Make your presence known. Okay, so it is a easy method for all the users. Okay, so all the users will get benefit from it. Send and receive assets confidently. Okay, blockchain addresses are complicated. Errors using them can lead to lost assets. Okay, obviously that is crucial. And SuiNS reduces the risk and the short and understandable names. Okay, so, so this is clear, fair enough. And sell your name when you want. Okay, obviously you can sell your name. How? Uh, that is good enough. So you can also business with your names. Okay. When you purchase a name, it's yours until it expires. Use it, gift it, sell it. The choice is yours. Okay. So, okay, good enough. And join the flourishing Sui community. Join the flourishing Sui community. Okay. Here are all the projects and the connections. And users will name throughout our ecosystem. Okay, and available wallets, DeFi, gaming, infra, NFTs, security, social. Everything is given here, and SuiN is now open source. Okay, user use our technical docs to integrate SuiNS in your app and build up our foundation. Okay, and Miston Labs, and uh, we talked about uh, this company, and they are the founder of this SuiNS protocol. Okay, okay, this is all about their website, and after that we need to look at their white paper, because white paper is important. Okay, white paper is very much important. Okay, okay, yeah. SuiName service documentation, and the SuiName service documentation is divided into two main sections: users and developers. Okay, the developer section provides integration details for adding SuiName service to your projects. The user section provides instructions on how to use the SuiNS portal to register names and integrate them with your Web3 identity. Okay, that is fair enough. And you can use the SuiNS dashboard link at the top and a navigation bar to jump over to SuiNS and register some names. Okay, or configure the ones you already own. Fair enough. Give me some time. I need to drink some water. Sorry for the interruption, guys, and we are back again. Okay, yeah, and the user section provides instructions on how to use the SuiNS portal to register names and integrate them with your website identity. Okay, so you can use the SuiNS dashboard link to the top navigation bar to jump over to SuiNS and register some names and configure the ones you already own. Okay, so let's have a look onto their things. Active constants. This is the list of current active objects to interact with SuiNS. Okay. Okay. Mainnet. You can find that here. And objects. You can find it there. Okay. Let's take a look at that integration. Integration with SuiNS works in multiple ways. Okay. I'm fine. And what about you? Okay. And let's see what is written here. The calls enable you to interact with the SUI network or display names instead of addresses. For example, your RPCs might create transactions that send access to names or show names instead of addresses on a leaderboard. Okay, so this is good. Resolution works in two ways. Look up. A name can point to an address or an object target address. Okay, that means target address. And reverse lookup, an address can have a default name. Okay, so this is the thing. There what helps work with two types. So they just mentioned how this thing works. You can read it there. And SuiNS NFT ownership. Okay, don't use ownership of the SuiNS NFT as a resolution method. The NFT is used as the key to change the target address. Okay, but shouldn't be used to identify any name with an address. So this NFT is a process. Okay, and SuiNS NFT ownership allows any addresses to be set as the target address. So the example.sui address used in the previous section can point to any address, not just 0x2. Okay. Consequently, when you want to display default addresses, you should trust the default address over target address because it's guaranteed on chain. Okay. And off-chain resolutions. For off-chain resolution, use available SUI API endpoints. Okay. These are there. JSON RPC and GraphQL. Okay, so you can click on these links and get to know. And welcome to the stream, just hello again, welcome and good morning, by the way. And on-chain resolution, okay, they're here, okay, they're here for mainnet, these things, and for testnet, and this is the same, I guess. I think there are changes, but this is not shown here, okay. Let's take a look at that subnames, okay. Subnames are nested names under a parent name. Okay, this is clear. Fair enough. Unlike regular names, there is not a cost associated with creating subnames. Okay, the maximum nesting depth is 8 levels. The total depth, including the SLD and TLD, means the maximum total depth is 10 levels. Okay, okay, they just cleared everything out. And the parent rules control whether you can create nested names or not. Okay, uh, fair enough. The parent rules can also allow a subname to extend the expiration to match the parent's expiration. You can alter the parent rules at any time. Okay, but revoking or banning follows the same rules that follow. Okay, so everything is mentioned clearly here. Subname types, there are subname types, and there are two types, and one is node subname and the leaf subname. Okay, so You can see that there the comparison here and the capabilities categories, they just compared and have a had a clear comparison here. Okay, so let's see what is inside indexing. Yeah, the indexer enables more expressive queries about the active domain state, as the on-chain resolution wasn't enough to power the interface. Okay, this allows for complex queries such as get all the subnames for a given parent and get all the names pointing to a specified address. Okay, so you can find the details on these links. Okay, so SuiNS SDK, use the SuiNS SDK to interact with the Sui name service, query SuiNS data is a usable way, and build transactions that interact with service names. Okay, fair enough. Installation system is there. You can read that. Okay, there are other stops. Just follow these instructions. You will get that. Okay, so everything is clear and open to the users. Okay, querying, use the SuiNS client that was previously created on query on chain data. So you can use that. Okay, query active pricing, query active renewals pricing. So everything is there. You can see that. And transactions, building transactions. Okay, SuiNS transactions is the client used similar to transaction, and helps in building a transaction. Okay, and you need to instantiate it once in every programmable transaction block, PTB. Okay, programmable transaction block refers to PTB and that you are building. Okay, available functions. There's a list of all the available PTB commands supported through the SDK. Okay, and it is important to know registering a name, renewing a name. Okay, you can see that. You can also see that. You can also take a screenshot of that. Okay, setting a name's target address. Okay, setting a name as default. So every function is there. Creating a subname, editing subname setup, and extending a subname's expiration, creating a leaf subname, removing a leaf subname, setting a name's metadata, banning an expired name, combined example. Everything is there. Okay, everything is there. So just use this example. Okay, there are examples given. The following code sample is an initial example of how to integrate with SuiNS on chain. This page will host more examples in the future. Okay, transferring any object to a SuiNS name fully on chain. So this is the example of that. Okay, and let's see what is inside the user base. Okay, what is inside the user base section, and it is important to know. Okay, we need to know about it. Okay, Sui name service user documentation. Okay, build your on-chain identity in Web3 with Sui name service, SuiNS. In short, SuiNS. Using SuiNS, you can register a name, any name that isn't already registered, and use it for on-chain transactions. Okay, sorry, you can use the SuiNS dashboard link in the top navigation bar to jump over to SuiNS and register some names or configure the ones you already own. Okay, so I think this was written at the beginning. Okay, register names. Uh, okay, show me how. Watch this. There is a tutorial. Um, you can watch this video. Okay, tell me how. Go to SuiNS site. Okay, type a name of interest. Tap or click a name. Open the register name dialog. You can just simply register there. Okay, so the process is just simple as it looks. Um, Here's a tutorial video on how to renew names, okay? Because there are expirations, okay? There are expirations. Follow the prompts to connect just connect your wallet and you will get to know. Tap or click the view names you own button dialog. Okay, so select renew name from the menu to open the dialog. Use the registration period field to set the number of years. Okay, so you can set the expiration. Okay, so I think you might need to pay for that. Okay, renewal grace period. Okay, okay, there's a grace period for the renewals. Okay, you have a 30-day grace period within which you can renew the registration, and it is important to know. Okay, so I think all my viewers know about that right now because I said that. Just kidding. And let's see how to update avatars. Okay, here's a tutorial. You can see that I have provided the link. You can just click on the link and see those tutorials. If you are really interested enough, you can. Okay, so the system is the same. Just go there and go to personalize avatar. Okay, and from there you can choose avatar, and I mean you can have some, you can also get some as well. Link addresses. Okay, okay, here's a tutorial. Here's a tutorial, and the same thing goes for all the things that you need to. First of all, you need to connect your wallet, and then go to the set your address link, and then click apply. Okay, so you just have to set your address. Just copy from the desired section and paste it here, and just click apply. Okay, approve the transactions. So everything is fair enough here, and SUI ID. Okay. Okay, see ID. Here's a tutorial. And first of all, you need to connect wallet, and they just have that tutorial and go to link to IPFS website. Okay, so just link here, link that, and navigate your browser and paste that, and to see your asset being shared to change your name to your actual SuiNS names. And let's see what is in node operators. Full nodes for the mainnet environment process SuiNS names without additional configuration. The Miston Labs public nodes for testnet also resolve SuiNS names. Okay, Miston Labs public nodes are here. Okay, mainnet for mainnet, the testnet is here as well, and developer net is here as well. SuiNS name resolution unavailable for DevNet. Okay, so everything is clearly mentioned here. It is not available for DevNet. Full node configuration. Okay, here is the full node configuration. Okay, you can see the full node configuration on docs.sui.io. Okay, so I think we are at the end of this white paper. Okay, everything was nicely organized, and their white paper is readable enough, and it is good for the user, and it is user friendly. By the way, first of all, it is user friendly. Okay, Gate.io Labs investment disclosure, that Gate.io Labs has not invested on SuiNS. Okay, so they just clearly mention that they they have not invested on SuiNS. Okay, and there are something written in attention section, so let's take a look at that. First of all, it is please be noted that we may restrict or prohibit the use of all or a portion of the service, including the participation in this event, game, or competition from restricted locations. Okay, as I said earlier, and the restricted locations including not but limited to the United Kingdom, United States of America, mainland China, Singapore, Canada, France, Germany, Hong Kong, Lithuania, Malaysia, Malta, Cuba, Iran, North Korea, Sudan, Syria, Crimea region, Spain, Luanes, Donetsk, Netherlands, and Bolivia, and so on. Okay, so we may, in our soul and absolute discretion, elect to make the services, okay, are only part of the services available in certain jurisdictions. Okay, sorry, I needed time for that. For more information regarding the restricted locations, please read the user agreement. Okay, okay, you can see that user agreement here. We do not intend to solicit or conduct marketing towards customers in such restricted locations. Okay, so if you are in these locations, just contact customer service. Okay, first of all. A risk warning: the project team does not guarantee that token price will not be lower than its startup sale price. Okay, please invest with caution and don't invest beyond your financial capacity. And uh, this is the main thing in crypto world. Don't invest beyond your financial capacity. Okay, so uh just 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 maintain this thing. Okay, and the startup project is still in its initial stage. Factors including the operation and underlying technology of this project and other related regulatory activities might contribute to significant risk. Okay, obviously, if there is crypto, there is risk, and advanced technical and financial knowledge is required to understand and evaluate the inherent risk of crypto asset investment. The market volatility is high, and the price of a token might fluctuate drastically due to technical, regulatory and marketing factors. And okay, users may not be able to withdraw all the purchase tokens due to technical issues of the project or gateway. Okay, so have a clear reminder of that. And for third, as for the third requirements for participants, the participants should register on Gateway and log in. After logging in, complete user identity verification. That means KYC2. Okay, KYC2 verification is needed. Okay, give me some time. I am giving a red packet, by the way. I was interested enough. Okay. Okay, the red packet is on. Okay, the red packet is on. Okay, deposit a certain amount of cryptocurrencies in your Gateway account. Sign the purchase agreement on startup before placing orders. Okay, and these are their official links. Just join them. Mm, okay, okay, fair enough. And let's take a look at that. How to, and oh, okay, first of all, you need to know what is Gate.io startup. Okay, and we all talked about many things, but uh, if you are a beginner, if you are new here, obviously there are questions in your mind. What is startup? Okay, by the way, you are talking about many things, and what is startup? So you can vote that. And okay, let's see what is startup. Okay, Gate.io startup is the world's largest token launch platform where users can discover potential projects, participate in startup subscription, and receive token airdrops. Okay, startup allocates tokens to users based on a share system. Okay, eligible users can claim a certain number of shares. The more shares you can claim, the more tokens you receive. So this is the basic thing you need to know about. Okay, about VIP free airdrop, and obviously how can I be eligible to participate in startups? All users Participating in startup subscription are required to complete KYC verification, KYC2 verification, and hold a balance of spot assets with not less than 10 US dollars. Okay, so you need to have at least 10 US dollars on your spot balance. Okay, and you need to hold that. You can't spend that. You need to hold that. And how many shares can I place? Yeah, as I discussed earlier, for VIP 0, for VIP 0 level, it's lucky draw. For VIP 1, it starts with 20 shares and it ends with VIP 10 to VIP 16 with shares of 8,000. That is huge, okay? That is huge. The higher the VIP level is, the more shares you can claim. You can claim more arrows by upgrading your VIP level, okay? So, uh, we just talked about that, and you can read that page, by the way. Okay, these are rates on VIP. Okay, trading volume, GT holding, VIP upgrade asset value. So everything is there. Okay, EP rate using maker 0.099%, taker is also 0.099%. Okay, so everything is there. Okay, balance for free. Okay, everything is there. You can just access that. Okay, and the pricing is there. And this is not pricing actually. You need to have a trading volume of these amounts. And if you have this kind of amounts in within 30 days, you are getting that VIP level. Okay, you are getting that VIP level instantly. You are getting that VIP level instantly. So no need to worry about that. Okay, so just your trading volume should be like that. Okay, your trading volume should be like that. And for VIP 16, you need around 3 billion USD uh, on a trading amount. Okay, institutional client, HNO client enjoy a special offer. Okay, okay, here are offers for institutional clients. Okay, everything is there. Just read that if you are really interested. How many tokens can I receive? Okay, token, here is the formula. Okay, token receipts equals to shares subscribed multiplied by tokens per share multiplied by distribution ratio. Okay, so you can find the distribution ratio on the project and tokens per share on the project as well. So these things will be multiplied with your shares. Okay, initial share. So basically, if you are BAB1, you are getting 20 shares, everything will be multiplied with 20. Tokens per share and distribution ratio vary for each project. Please refer to the announcement of project airdrop results. The more shares you subscribe, the more tokens you will receive. For example, they mentioned that example, if you subscribe for 5 shares, token per share is 1000, while the distribution ratio of startup is 0.001. So you can receive around this like 10 tokens. Okay. Do I need to pay for startup subscription? Are there any trading fees charged? No. Okay. And if I have subscribed, am I guaranteed to receive tokens in the end? Okay. All VIP users are guaranteed. Okay. But non-VIP users are not guaranteed. They are qualified for the lucky draw, and if you are a winner, you will get to know. But if you are not a winner, uh, sad for you. Actually, it is sad for you, but it actually uh, you have to know the truth that if you are a non-VIP user, that means your VIP level is zero. Okay, VIP 0. So you will be uh, you will be placed on a lucky draw, and if you are lucky enough, you can win. Okay, you can win and get this portion. Okay, so is the startup participation on a first come first serve? No. Okay, no, it is a clear no. Do I need to keep a sufficient balance in my account to participate in startup? For startup airdrop, sufficient balance is not required anymore before token distribution after subscription. Okay, so if you have subscribed, you don't have to worry about the balance. How many times can I participate in startup? You can participate on startup just once, okay? But you can participate on multiple startups at the same time, okay? When will I get startup tokens? The final sale result will be announced before trading starts, okay? So then you can know if my baby level is upgraded after subscription, will I receive more airdrops? Users will have their baby level verified during token distribution, and the final allocation they receive will be determined by their VIP level at the time of distribution. If the VIP level increases, the subscription shares at the time of subscription will be used for calculation. Okay. Uh, okay, so the actual answer is no. Okay. And can I change my subscription shares? VIP users participating in startup airdrop are defaulted to the maximum subscription shares. The higher the VIP level, the more subscription shares can be acquired, leading to more airdropped tokens. Okay, basically, this is the thing. How much airdrop can non-VIP users receive on participating in startup? Okay, then the total airdrop amount for non-VIP users will vary depending on the project, the number of winners, and the airdrop amount are not fixed. Okay, after non-VIP users participate in the subscription, whether they win or not will be announced after the subscription ends. You can check the results in purchase history. Okay, project subscription page. Just check it. Okay. Can non-baby users use startup vouchers to participate in startup? Yes, they can. Non-baby users who use startup vouchers to join subscription will have their voucher benefits prioritized. Okay, startup vouchers guarantee 100% corresponding share, but users still need to hold spot assets of no less than $10. So you need to hold at least $10 on your spot account. Can non-VIP users participate in startup airdrop multiple times? Yes, they can. Okay. And this is for the GT holder exclusive airdrop. And what is GT holder exclusive subscription? GT holder exclusive airdrop subscription is an exclusive subscription. Okay. And allowing them to participate in early stage project investments, but just by holding GT tokens. Okay. What are the requirements? Obviously the same. Obviously the same as you need to verify your identity first. Okay, you need to complete a KYC 2 verification and hold at least 10 GT. Okay, to qualify for 100% GT holder exclusive free airdrop. Okay, and to participate the lucky draw. Okay, there are lucky draws as well. Can I participate in multiple GT holder exclusive airdrop subscription at the same time? Yes. Is there a lockup period? Generally, GT tokens convertibles have no lockup periods. Okay, the answer is no. How many shares can I claim? Okay, the maximum share is 3,000. Okay, so it is for VIP 10 to VIP 16. Okay, I think you understand the thing right now. How many tokens can I receive? Okay, the formula is same. Shares subscribed, tokens per share, and distribution ratio. And this is same for GT holder exclusive as well. And will my token allocation decrease if my GT holding at the time of token distribution is lower than it was at the time of participation? Yes. Okay. The answer is clear yes. If I have participated, am I guaranteed to receive tokens in the end? Yeah. If you're holding at least 10 GT, you are guaranteed 100%. But if you are not holding 10 GT, there will be a lucky draw. And can I use startup vouchers or startup stars to participate in GT holder exclusive free airdrops? No. When will I know the results of my subscription? Oh, obviously, before the corresponding tokens start placed on trading pairs. Okay, so then you will know. And this is about pre-order. This is about pre-order. Are there any requirements to participate in the pre-order? Obviously, you have to be at least on VIP level 3, okay? And then you have to hold at least 100 GT, okay? 100, okay, that is huge. How many shares can I pre-order? Okay, different. There are uh, there are there is a chart. You can know that. You can see that, by the way. For BAP3, available shares is 100. Obviously, you have to hold at least 100 GT. And for BAP10 to BAP16, you need to hold at least 1500 GT. Okay, at least you have to hold at least 1500 GT, and your maximum share is around 8,000. That is huge. Do I need to pay for the pre-order? The balance will be deducted based on the price per share. Okay, so obviously, once pre-order successfully, can I cancel it? Okay, you can cancel it before it reaches the 24-hour deadline. Okay, and these are the things, and everything will be returned. If and something goes wrong, everything will be returned within 7 working days. Okay. Uh, about Startup Prime. What is Startup Prime? Startup Prime is an exclusive paid subscription. Obviously, it is a paid subscription. You don't have to worry about it, okay? And if you have no money, just avoid it. You can avoid it, okay? Do I need to keep a sufficient balance in my account to participate in Startup Prime? Yes, it does. And what are the requirements to participate in Startup Prime? And this is the same for all the stuff. And that means you need to complete KYC to verification and hold no less than $10 on your spot assets. Okay. And how many GTUSD holdings are required? Okay, the requirements vary depending on the specific project. Okay, so you will get to know that from that project details. How many shares can I subscribe? Okay, there is the thing, and this is the limit for VIP10 to VIP16, and for VIP0 you can get at least 5 shares. Okay, can I cancel my subscription? Currently subscription cancellation is not supported. Okay, okay, it is not supported. Okay, right now. Okay, let's see the tutorial, by the way. Let's see the tutorial how to participate in startup. Okay, and it is needed. It is needed for all of you. Easy steps to participate in startup. Okay, fair enough. Okay, there is a tutorial video, by the way, but I'm not playing it right now. So basic thing is general startup airdrop. For general startup airdrop, log into Gate.io account, go to startup page, hold at least 10 USDT in spot assets, and click to zero free claim GT. Okay, zero free claim. And for GT holder exclusive airdrop, log into Gate.io account, go to startup page, hold at least 10 GT, hold GT, and claim free. Okay, so this is the thing. And there is a image tutorial, by the way, so you can see. Go to startup and click on zero pre-claim. Okay, click on this zero pre-claim, and okay, you have to click on the agreement. By the way, you can read the user subscription agreement, but I actually I have complete trust on Gate.io, so I never read. I just click on that tick mark and claim. Okay, so this is the thing. And for the GT holder exclusive, this thing will be written like hold GT and claim free. So just uh, sign on the subscription agreement and claim. Okay, and you can also participate from the app as well. Okay, so go to the startup section. uh, you can see the ongoing and claim free airdrop. Okay, zero free to claim and claim now. And yes, obviously there is also sign up there you need to sign for the subscription agreement as well. So you can read that or you can skip that. It is yours. Hmm. Okay, and GT holder, that is the same. Okay, so you can check that here. Okay, subscription history, you can know what is going on. Okay, and these are the latest features. You can click on claim all. Okay, if you click on claim all the ongoing, all the in progress startup projects will be claimed automatically. You don't need to claim for particular projects. one by one. Okay, so all will be claimed at once. And auto convert to GT's uh, feature. Okay, this feature is very much good, pretty much good because it happens like if you get tokens, the price of the tokens get decreased. Okay, but if you convert it to GT, you don't have to worry about that. Uh, what is the price of that coin and what is not. Okay, so just convert it with GT. So it will be helpful enough. Okay, okay, you can turn on the option for auto convert to GT. So this is basically how you can participate in startup programs. Okay, okay. So this is the startup update, by the way. You need to know about that, by the way. And hey, I think you got all the idea here. Okay, I think we read that. We read that, by the way. And and I think you also know about that. And if you are really interested enough on joining in VIP stuff, you can sign that agreement, or you can this questionnaire. Just click on submit, and you are subscribed. Okay. And the startup rules update. Okay, startup rule updates and easier to claim airdrop. Okay, so you need to know about that. By the way, GitHub Startup is one of the largest token launch platforms, allowing users to participate in no cost and explore potential projects in the early stages. Okay, currently, startup has completed a major upgrade and enabling users to participate with lower thresholds, receive free airdrops more easily. Details are as follows. Okay, for airdrop projects, after subscription, sufficient balance is not required anymore before token distribution. Okay, fair enough. Users who upgrade to VIP levels by holding assets will have their VIP level verified during token distribution, and the final allocation they receive will be determined by the VIP level at the time of distribution. So you don't have to worry about anything. Rules for non-VIP users. Okay, this is the same. You need to hold at least $10 and you will be uh, verified for lucky draw. Okay, okay, okay. Part of lucky non-paid users. So everything is written here. You can read that. I provided the link on the video's description, by the way. And there is a note. You need to read that. The previous rule where non-PAP users were guaranteed to receive 3 shares of startup airdrop has been abolished in this update. After the update, non-PAP users with spot assets of no less than $10 can directly participate and receive airdrops if they win. I mean, if you win in the lucky draw, you can get that airdrop, okay? All existing subscription shares rules for VIP users remain unchanged and they are eligible to receive the airdrop with a 100% guarantee, okay? The higher the VIP level, the more startup airdrop shares they can subscribe. Okay, non-VIP users. Okay, this is the same. And new rules take effect from August 25th. Okay, the new rules will take effect from August 25th to 2 o'clock. Okay, it is where any discrepancy arises between the translated versions and the original English version. The English version shall prevail. Okay, so always follow the English version of Gate.io announcements, everything. Just follow the English version and Gate.io reserves all rights to the final explanation. Okay, here's the thing I was excited for the startup referral carnival. Okay, so you can just go to this link I have provided in my video's description. Okay, so you can get this link. Just simply go to that link and you will get to know everything here. Okay, the basic thing is invite friends, earn stars, and swap stars for share. Okay, so you can convert your stars for shares and you get shares, corresponding shares, and with these shares you can participate in startup projects. Okay, so there will be no VIP levels. What is Startup Star? Startup Star is the exclusive reward for startup, which can be used to swap extra shares of VIP pre-airdrop. Every 10 shares can swap one share. Every 10 stars can swap one share with a cap of 40,000 stars. So basically, you can get at most 40,000 stars. Okay. How to obtain startup stars? New users who complete a minimum of $10 in spot trading volume within 3 days after registration on the page can earn 100 startup stars. Okay, this is the thing. And existing users can invite new users, and for any new users, you can get stars. All users who participate in startup for the first time from this page can receive an additional 100 startup stars. Okay, how to swap startup stars? Every 10 stars can swap one share. Okay, so it is worth only VIP free airdrop, not others. And can I receive startup stars every day? For invite to earn, startup stars are distributed daily in accordance with the daily trading volume of your invitees in a 30-day period. Okay, so this is the thing you need to know. Can I claim both the VIP Dipple shares or startup vouchers at the startup stars swapping shares? Yes. Is there a valid period for startup stars? Startup stars are always valid. So this is the clear and fair answer. And okay, this is the thing you need to know. Startup, how many startup stars can I earn by inviting friends? Okay, this is written here. I think you can get that idea from here. And startup pack, startup participation tutorial, get VIP level. I think we discussed everything on the previous parts of our stream. Okay, so this is the thing. You can get your own invitation link just by clicking invite now option. Okay, just click invite now and you can get your own invite link, and uh, you can copy that and you can share it with your friends and family and get startup stars. Okay, get startup stars and you can swap for VIP shares. Okay, I mean swap for shares, project shares, airdrop shares. Okay, so just invite your friends and family and others. Like if you are influencer, you can invite your followers as well. Okay, you can invite your followers as well. So this is the basic thing you need to know about Stars Carnival. I think you got the idea. And let's take a look at that ongoing startup projects. We need to take a look at that. Okay, for startup, this is the ongoing events here. Okay, you can see that in progress section, there is Ragdoll, Euro, Loon AI, Geo 4, 6, Micro, MNEMO, the Meme 5, ARS, Goat, Goat CS, Noob, Scylla, NS. We did review on it today, ART. So these are the in progress startup projects. You can participate all of them in at once. Okay, so this is not a hard task, by the way. You can participate all at once. Okay, and this is a startup mining. Okay, this is a startup mining. You can participate in just by stacking your rewards. Okay, stacking your holdings. If you are holding USDT, you can stack USDT. If you are holding Bitcoin, you can stack Bitcoin as well. Okay, so you can, and if you are holding particularly GT, you can stack GT. Okay, these are uh, startup mining, and they are in progress in 8 startup mining projects right now. And about startup task. The startup task, we need to know about that. Okay, you can go there, just go there and claim your entries. And this is the easiest startup task ever. Okay, just follow their page and follow some of their official and some of their social pages, and go to some links, visit, view the live stream videos, and these are the things. And inviting friends will give you extra entries. Inviting friends will give you extra entries, and you are good to go. So these are, according to these entries, you are getting prize. Okay, and you can see that total prize is that amount, and your entries are there. So uh, if you win, you get enough airdrop from that project as well. So these are the stuff. These are the ongoing startup events, by the way. So you can participate on them. And this is the review on SuiNS, by the way, and the other ongoing startup events, and how to participate in startup, and what is startup. Everything we cleared in this live stream. I think everyone is clear about that now. Okay. So make sure to participate in the Stars Carnival, by the way. Where is it? Okay, I think that one. Oh, I just missed I just closed the page, by the way. Okay, okay. So we will see that again. And but I provided my Stars Carnival invitation link, referral link on my video's description. You will get that there. Okay. And we cleared all the topics. I said earlier, like, uh, we talked about SuiNS and read their website, read their white paper, and everything, the token allocation, everything we clarified. And we talked about what is the Gate.io startup and how to participate on Gate.io startup. And we mentioned what is Stars Carnival and how to participate that, and how to get your link. And you can share your link with your friends and family, and if you are an influencer, you can share it with your followers as well. And we did discuss on other ongoing startup in baby events. Okay, so this is the thing I need to clear today for that stream, and I'm done for it. And let's close the stream. And I think we did review on that project enough. We did enough review on this project. So let's call it a day and see you on the next live stream on market analysis. So you all are welcome there. We all are welcome there, and we will talk about it then. So until then, goodbye. And actually, have a good day and see you soon. Okay. Goodbye.